welcome back to my channel. Today, if you couldn't tell by the title, is a beach slash lake slash summer day makeup look. I kept it super simple, focused a lot on having super glowy, radiant skin, a lot more natural than most looks that I've done in the past. Most looks that I do. This is honestly, truly the kind of makeup I wear every day. I don't actually do all the crazy stuff every day. And sometimes I just don't even wear makeup, so this is kind of like my go-to look. I don't go as dewy, glowy, whatever, but yeah. This just thing on if you go to the beach. My mascara might not be waterproof, but that might be the only thing. Everything else should stay on. But yeah, if you guys want to know how I achieved this super fun summer look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I just started filming and my camera's already not cooperating, but I'm gonna ignore it and move on. So I went ahead and primed my face. I don't know if the footage was captured or whatever, but I went in with the Becca Backlight Primer and the Milk Makeup Blur Stick, my dynamic duo at the moment. The Becca, the purple in this kind of lifts all the discoloration from my face, and hopefully your face too if you need it. It like cancels out PEMDAS, you know, all that jazz. So I'm gonna go on foundation. The foundation I'm gonna be using today is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I'm in the shade 4C3 Soft Tan. This is a waterproof foundation, so obviously good for the summer. Still full coverage, really lightweight. Another option that is really good that I would recommend, the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation. It looks like this. It's a stick foundation, yes. Very creamy. It's not super heavy on the skin. The only reason I'm not using this one today is because, one, because it's my winter shade, and two, because I've noticed that when I wear this foundation and it's hot outside, it breaks up mad. I don't know why. It used to not do that for me. Like, this used to be my go-to foundation, but Hourglass started playing games, so we had to switch up. So I'm just gonna go in with the Estee Lauder, and then I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and blend all that out. So once I've blended all that out, I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium and apply that under my eyes and some other places that you'll see in just a second. I go ham with my concealer. Concealer hides everything, and clearly I got a lot of hide. So we're gonna let that sit for a second. Since this is like a beach day, lake day, summer day type thing, spring, whatever, I'm not gonna go too bold with the brows just because I want to go for a more natural look. Obviously this is very natural, minimal makeup, but by that I mean I'm not gonna fill in my brows. I'm just gonna brush some brow gel through them and call it a good day, hood day. We're gonna be using the Brow Gal by Tanya Crooks. I use her eyebrow angled brush and spoolie duo thing religiously. This is the Insta Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers in Brown Hair shade 2. It has a really fine little comb, which is super, super nice. But yeah, just brushing this through my brows. And even though we didn't fill in the brows today, we're definitely gonna clean them hoes up because they're also crusty, rusty, and dusty. And then taking my beauty blender again. Oh, look how funny that is. Can you tell I put my foundation on? And then blend. Okay, and now for setting our face, we're not gonna do too much to set. The thing with like summer makeup and beach lake day makeup or whatever is that you want to use the smallest amount of powder products that you can, or the least amount, that's what I meant, least amount of powder products that you can, just because powder in the heat makes you look cakey and like your skin looks all like porous and like textured and all that stuff that we don't like. So we're just gonna use powder to set our under eyes and wherever we get the oiliest. So I'm gonna go right around here and my T-zone pretty much, and that's it. We're not gonna set our whole face because we are gonna go in with cream contour. But for right now, I'm just gonna set those areas. And I'm using the Ben Nye banana powder. Let me find it. Alrighty, and then we're gonna contour. Like I said, we're gonna be doing cream contour today. I'm gonna be taking my camera stopped recording. I don't know when it stopped recording, but what I did was contour with the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Mocha. I really hope it at least got some of that. I'm really disappointed if it didn't. This side of my face and then this side of my face got really messed up. Not sure why. I think it was just, maybe I'm just ugly. I can't tell if this is texture or if that's the contour. Whatever. I'm gonna go back in with the Ben Nye banana powder and clean up right under the contour. Great. And now we're going to finish like my face and then we'll go to eyes. So we're gonna blush. For blush today, we're gonna go with like a shimmery kind of blush. I don't really do shimmer blush, but we want to glow like no tomorrow. But first I'm gonna lay down my liquid highlighter that I plan on using so that it all blends real nicely and I don't have to put powder blush over liquid highlighter. And for liquid highlighter today, we're gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow in the shade Perla. I'm just gonna apply that to the high points of my cheekbones like that. And then take my, guess what, beauty blender and blend. Oh, I heard it. Oh my god. I swear, everything that could go wrong with my makeup today is going wrong. Like, what? I didn't even set my forehead. Why are you not blending, dog? Why do I look so patchy? I'm not the only one seeing this, right? Whatever. Moving on. I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty Golden Sands Edition 3D highlighter palette and take the shade Zanzibar, the pink, the blush, on a Vanity Planet flat top stippling brush, just a little, and press that into the apples of my cheeks and go up towards my hairline. And then I also like to take a little bit of this and put it on the temples, or my temples, the temples of my forehead, my temples. Okay, here's my thing with bronzer. I don't use bronzer just because I feel like I don't need it, so what's the point? And my contour is cool toned, and like, yeah, it would be nice to warm up my skin or whatever, but I just don't technically really like love the way that it looks on my skin. It just looks muddy usually, and no bronzers like the undertone and shade that I want. I haven't found one that I like enough yet, so I'm just not rocking with it until I do that. But we're about to hit this face with highlight. I'm so super extra with my highlight all the time, so you know we're not doing nothing subtle in this house. So I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Killawatt Freestyle Highlighter Duo in Mean Money and Hustler Baby, taking the same taper brush that I always use and applying that to my face in all the same places that I always apply it. So the tops of my cheeks, right over that liquid highlighter that we applied earlier. Wow, she's glowing. And just because I love being extra, we're gonna layer highlights. I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia by Amrezy highlighter. And then I'm gonna take a beauty blender and just press that in so we get a good melted kind of feel. And then I'm just gonna blend this powder in as well. And then for eyes, we're keeping it super, super, super duper simple. I'm gonna put the same highlighter, the Amrezy one, in my inner corners. Literally just with my pinky. And then on the lid, we're gonna do a cream eyeshadow. This is the DLS eyeshadow crayon. I don't know which, oh, this is in the shade Illusion. I'm literally just drawing all over my lid with that. And then I'm gonna go in and put some definition in my crease. I'm just taking this Modapro BMX 430 brush and some of my Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I'm just gonna blend that into my crease. And then for liner, we're gonna go in with the Makeup Forever Aqua Eyes waterproof eyeliner pencil in the shade 25L. It's like a brown liner. I don't know if it's gonna focus. I'm gonna put that in my waterline, and then I'll explain what I do on top. Okay, so for the top of my eyes, I'm just gonna tightline. So like put that on my upper waterline, if that makes sense. And make your lash line look fuller, your eyes just look more alive. Did I say more fuller? Ugh. Just like that, and then I'm going to apply mascara. No falsies today. Using the Butter London Double Decker Lashes. This is like the only mascara I've been using since I got it because I absolutely love it. What is that on my face? And then for lips, I totally forgot to highlight my Cupid's bow, so going back into the Anastasia Amrezy with this little brush. Just gonna do that real quick. And then I'm just gonna apply a nude lip liner. This is the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Cans. I didn't totally fill my lips with the lip liner because I don't want a super pigmented kind of look, like something that is close to your skin color or like your natural lip color, which is why I didn't do anything super dramatic. And then the NARS lip gloss, this is just, I don't know what it's called, and Orgasm. And voila, our beach look is complete. So I just took my hair down, had it in the braid, so there's like a little bit of a wave to it. Normally I leave the braids in overnight, but I literally only had them in for like 2 hours this morning, and I showered last night, so like it wasn't super effective. But yeah, this is the final look. It's really simple, super glowy. Obviously focus a lot on the highlights. So basically, oh, and don't forget to set your face. Oh my goodness, I already did that, but like do not forget to set your face or else your face will come off. But yeah, it's really important to stick to as many cream products as you can. If your face tends to get super oily and you gotta set some stuff like I did, you can do that. And if you set your whole face, then I mean, I guess you can, but you just won't. It's like harder to get a super glowy look while using a bunch of powders. So a lot of it is focusing on the skin. Stick to light colors, nothing too dark, nothing too crazy. But I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment down below if you like it. Even if you hate it, let me know, say it to my face. I'm not afraid. I could take it. But yeah, I'll catch y'all next time.